Hey guys, today we are at our Pataskala location with another RV tour. Behind me, we have the JAYCO Northpoint 380 RKGS with a Food Network worthy kitchen. Even Rachel Ray would be proud. Let's check it out. So starting with this pass-through storage, you know when you're bringing your chairs in and out of the pass-through storage, it's super muddy on the campground and you need to clean it up. Don't worry, because you have road vac, so you can just hook up a hose, take it around. Super easy and convenient cleanup. There's also some pass-through storage on the rear and you have a mini fridge, so if you don't want to track the dirt inside to get your drinks, put your favorite beverages right in here. On to the entertainment area. First, we're going to look at this live edge little counter space right below your flat screen TV. Right below that, you have your JBL speaker, super high quality, really get the party going. Right below that, you have your InnoFlame fireplace for those rainy days. You can continue your fire right inside. Then above that live edge countertop is that flat screen TV, and you have perimeter seating, so you get a view from no matter what angle. With that perimeter seating, that means you have extra sleeping space along with these two recliners, which recline, they give you a massage, and they heat. So it's like a spa day watching your favorite movie in your favorite RV. And like I said, this kitchen is perfect for the Food Network. I know Rachel Ray, she's my favorite. I know she would love it. Comment below your favorite cook and let's see if they would like this as well. Right here, you have your residential sink, which also comes with not only a little cutting board, but also a way to maybe hide some dishes. After you're done cleaning up, you could pop a flower on there for some extra decor. And if you're worried about where you're gonna put your trash can, the pull-out trash cans, I think, are the most convenient to have. The best feature of this fridge is having that ice and water dispenser. You won't find this in most fifth wheels, promise. If you're ready to boil that water, make your favorite mac and cheese, mine is Kraft. You have a 4-burner stove top, so you can have 4 different things going at the same time. You have your oven as well. And what I really like about this is the cutting board to put on top. Not only is it convenient for prepping your food, but after you're done cleaning up, you can put a little extra decor to really give it that homey feel. The grand finale of the kitchen is this side. You have your big microwave, and when I say big, it's not just average, it is big. We love these super deep countertops, so much space to prep your food, lay things out, extra decor, anything you need. But if you are thinking, this is just not enough for me, this Northpoint has you covered. Pull this out. You have a whole extra place to prep your food, almost kind of like an island feel. You can prep here, you can eat here, cook here. You can keep this pulled out to give it that maybe bougie kind of feel. But this is also a super good space saver. So when everything's cleaned up and you're done in the kitchen and you still want to make it feel super open, push it back in and you're good. Not many people are sitting at dining tables anymore, so that's what I really like about this bar top. It's a perfect view to the TV and it comes with USB, so if you need to charge your phone, your laptop, your headphones, whatever it is, you have that space to do it. You can eat here, but you can also work here. So if you have homework or if you maybe work from your RV, this is perfect. And for the bathroom, this bathroom is super luxurious. You have your bowl style sink and your black modern fixtures. For the storage, there's a spot for you and a spot for your significant other. Keep your stuff separate. Super nice. I know I don't want anyone touching my stuff. And I really like the shower. You have a stool, so that's good for me, at least for shaving my legs. I don't know. It's a pain in the butt if you don't have one of those, so that's a nice feature. You have your removable shower head and you have some extra storage space as well in the shower. You don't have to worry about putting your shampoo, conditioner, blah, 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 all that stuff on the floor. Last but not least, it's a porcelain toilet. Do I need to say more? Achoo, achoo. This bed is so comfortable. I probably could sleep for a full 24 hours. It's an RV king, so you have tons of room, whether you're by yourself or with someone else. There's space for both of you. You have a perfect view to a TV in your room. I can just imagine laying here, watching my favorite show, which is Friends. But I'm curious if anyone else can relate when you get in bed and you look up and you're like, oh, I forgot to shut a light off. Don't worry, because in this JAYCO Northpoint, you have a remote. You can turn off all the lights in here without even getting up out of your bed. So if we want to turn off our reading light, off. If we want to turn off our ceiling light, it's dark, but it's off. Turn it back on for you. And there's an all interior light. Let's try it out. you are in for a good night's rest. You also have a massive closet with tons of storage space. You can hang stuff, you can fold stuff. There's really a spot for everything. There's even a little hamper section. So if you think, oh, where am I gonna put my hamper for all my clothes? There's a spot for you right in here. And another great feature is the washer and dryer prep. No need to lug your stuff if you're in your house, like from your basement up to your top floor. You have your washer and dryer right by where you're gonna put your clothes away. So like I always say, super convenient. And there you have it. That is the JAYCO Northpoint 380 RKGS. You can get it here at RCDRV Supercenter in Pataskala, Ohio. Just click the link in the bio, check out that price, and you won't believe it. See you next time.